IT Media, Standard 5. Chapter 2, Windows 10. Lesson Objectives. We can start with Windows 10. Windows 10 is one of the most popular operating systems. Operating system. Operating system acts as a mediator between a user and a computer. Next one it is folder. Folder is a directory which contains files and folders. A folder can hold one or more files or folders. A file is a collection of data stored as a unit and identified by a file name. Here you can see the folder icon. File. A file is a collection of data stored as unit and identified by a file name. Computer files comes in different types. Text files, graphic files, program files, email files. Next is file extension. The file extension or file name extension is the ending of a file that helps to identify the type of a file. For example, a text file is shown as .txt when you are using the program Notepad. In this slide, you can see some common file extension. The first one, here you can see the extensions for graphics or image files. Second, PDF, Adobe text files. The third one, text files to be viewed using web browsers. The fourth one is compressed files that are reduced in size. These are the file extensions for different types of files which we are using in computer. Next one, compressed file. Compressed file is a sort of archive that contains one or more files that have been reduced in size. Data compression is useful in computing to save disk space. Zip file format is a popular data compression and archival format. Creating and renaming files and folders. Creating a new folder can help us to organize and keep track of files and other folders. You should name each folder meaningfully so that just reading the folder's name, you are able to know its contents. You can rename it anytime. Now we can start with the steps how to create a folder. In the desktop, click on File Explorer button from the taskbar. Second, open the drive or folder where you want to create a folder. Third step, click the New Folder button on the Home tab. With the new folder name selected, type a new name. Press enter or click on blank area to finish naming the folder. So these are the steps you want to follow to create a folder. Next it is rename a file or folder. In the desktop, click on the File Explorer button from the taskbar. Select the file or folder you want to rename. Click on the Rename button on the Home tab. With the name selected, type a new name or click to position the insertion point and then edit the name. Last one, press Enter key in a blank area. Change folder icon. These are the steps to change the folder icon. The first step, right-click on the folder you want to change. Select Properties from the pop-up menu. Select Customize tab icon from the Properties menu. Click on the Change icon button from the bottom of the window. A window is displayed with many icon pictures. After that, you need to select a picture from the window. To change the folder style or click on Browse button to select another icon from any other folder. Click on OK button. Last, click on Apply and OK button to finish. Next it is folder views. Folder view helps to find folders and pictures easily. It helps to find folder size, date modified, pictures list, etc. Different view options from view icon helps to display folders in different sizes. Different types of folder view options are extra large icons, medium icons, small icons. The other options in view. First one, list view. List view is used to get list view of folders. Details view. It helps to see the details like file size, data modified, etc. Tiles view is used to get medium-sized icons with information about file type and its sizes. Content view is used to get the content view of different folders. To change folder view layout from File Explorer ribbon. First, in File Explorer, open the folder you want to change the view layout. Second step, click or tap on the View tab. Third, in the Layout section of the ribbon, select extra large icons, medium icons or small icons, details, tiles, content for the view layout. At the bottom right corner of File Explorer, click or tap on either the Details or Large Icons button for the view layout. To change folder sort by view from context menu. First, in File Explorer, open the folder you want to change the sort by view of its content. Second, right-click on an empty area inside the folder. Click on Sort By and click on the detail you want the order for items in this folder to be sorted by. Third, select to sort items in this folder by ascending or descending order with the selected detail. Copying and moving files and folders. To move or copy file from one folder to another, leaving the file in the first location and placing a copy of it in the second. First one, moving. Moving means to remove or cut the selected file or folder from a location. Copying. Copying means to make a copy of the selected file or folder and insert it to another place, leaving the original unchanged. Copy or move a file or folder. The first step, click or tap the File Explorer button on the taskbar. Second, open the drive or folder containing the file or folder to copy. Third, select the file or folder to copy or move. Fourth step, click or tap the Copy or Cut button on the Home tab. Next, display the destination folder to copy or move the files or folders. Then, click or tap the Paste button on the Home tab. Or the other way is to copy a folder using drag and drop. To drag and drop, the first step, on the desktop, click on the File Explorer button on the taskbar. Second, open the drive or folder containing a file or folder to copy or move. Third, drag the files or folders to put into the destination folder in the navigation pane. Deleting and restoring files and folders. The recycle bin is a temporary storage area for deleted files located on the desktop. Deleted file or folder from the desktop or from the hard disk goes into the recycle bin. The deleted files can be restored from recycle bin to its previous location. Delete files and folders. On the desktop, click on the File Explorer button on the taskbar. Select the files and folder to delete. After that, click on Delete button arrow on the Home tab and then click Recycle or Permanently Delete. Click on Yes to confirm the deletion and place the items in the recycle bin. To delete a file permanently from recycle bin, right-click on the recycle bin icon from the desktop, then click the empty recycle bin. Next, how to restore files and folders which we deleted to recycle bin. For that, first step, double-click on the recycle bin icon on the desktop. Select the item or items to restore. Click the Restore this item or Restore all items on the Manage tab. The last step, if prompted, click Yes to confirm the restore or click No to cancel it. And the last topic from this chapter, run command. The run command is used to directly open an application or document whose path is known. To get run option, right click on the start button. And here you can see the shortcut for run command. Type any command in run window to open application directly.